Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a no-reply email address in Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to email. Here, I've already picked the free email plan from Bluehost. This is why this page may be different than yours. So if you're first time creating an email on Bluehost, let me show you how this page looks like originally. Then go to email. Here select the .com domain you want to use for this professional email address. Click on continue. Here fill in your new email address. Now let's go back to show you how to create your no reply email address. Click on this email account. Then click on this create a new email account button. Here fill in your no reply email address. So I will go with no-reply to be no reply at benstutorial.com. Fill in a password that is strong and you can still remember it. Click on create new account. Now that my no reply email address is created, click on access webmail. Fill in your email address, click on next, and fill in the password you've just created. Click on login. Enter a password recovery email. I'll do it later. And this is my new inbox. Let's customize your profile. Set a display name so your recipients know who you are. I will go with Ben. Click on next. Brings email from Gmail. I'll do it later. Set a professional signature. I'll do it later. Set your email viewing preference. I'll do it later. Download Titan apps. Done. Now, once you're inside your Bluehost inbox, click on this settings icon and then select preferences. You will land on this page. Now scroll down to vacation responder. Enable vacation responder like that. And as you see, your automatic reply will start from the today's date and it will not end, or it will end until you turn it off. So for the subject line, or for the automatic reply message subject and body message, I will use the help of ChatGPT. So I will ask it, write me an automatic reply for my pizza business with the name of Ben's Pizza. My no reply email address is no-reply at benstutorial.com. Click on enter. Thanks for reaching out to Ben's Pizza. Hi there. Thanks for contacting Ben's Pizza. This is an automated message. We don't monitor this inbox. If you would like to get in touch, please call us, visit us, or place your order online. We can't wait to serve you the best pizza in town, the Ben's Pizza team. This is a nice message body. And for the subject line, give me a subject line that starts with automatic reply. So I will use this as the subject line, and here you can set how many emails you want to reply to the same emails from the same sender. You can set once every 1 day, for example. Click on save. Vacation responder successfully enabled. Now let's try contacting my no reply email address. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Vacation responder successfully enabled. Now let's try contacting my no reply email address. Compose, try to contact myself at no reply at benstutorial.com. Are you open today or tonight? Click on send. Message sent. Now let's wait for the automatic reply from this email address. Let's keep as you see now. After I think 10 to 15 seconds, I've received this email message from my no reply email address on Bluehost. Hi there, thanks for contacting. This is an automated message which we don't monitor. And if you'd like to get in touch, you can call us, visit us. And this is how to create and set a no reply email address on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.